Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome Media Playback policy issues, step by step, fully updated for 2026. Media playback issues usually happen when videos or audio don't autoplay, remain blocked, or show permission errors due to Chrome's autoplay and sound policies. First, understand the reason. Chrome blocks automatic media playback with sound to prevent unwanted audio. This is controlled by site permissions and browser policies. Now let's fix it. First, open Google Chrome and go to Settings. Click Privacy and Security, then select Site Settings. Scroll down and click Sound. Make sure the main option is set to Sites Can Play Sound. Next, scroll down to the Allowed section. If the website you're using is blocked, remove it from the blocked list or add it to Allowed. This allows audio and video playback. Now, check autoplay behavior. Type chrome://settings/content/sound in the address bar and review site-specific permissions. If the issue persists, right-click on the website tab, select Site Settings, and manually allow sound, autoplay, and media permissions. Another important step is checking Chrome flags. Open chrome://flags, search for autoplay, and reset any modified autoplay-related flags back to default. Incorrect flags can break media playback. Next, disable extensions that interfere with media playback. Go to chrome://extensions. Temporarily disable ad blockers, privacy tools, or media control extensions, then refresh the page. Also make sure Chrome is updated. Go to chrome://settings/help and install any available updates. Older versions may have media policy bugs. Finally, restart Chrome and test the media again. And that's it. By adjusting sound permissions, allowing autoplay for trusted sites, resetting flags, managing extensions, and keeping Chrome updated, you can fix Google Chrome media playback policy issues effectively. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.